In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play player career mode in FIFA 22. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up the career mode in FIFA 22. There are two main ways to do career mode in FIFA 22. First, you can either access Create a Pro or play as one of the existing professional players. So all that you have to do is from the main menu, navigate to the career mode session. In there, you will be able to choose between the two modes that I just mentioned. So for Create a Pro, you will be able to design your own player. You will have full customization over the appearance, attributes, and playstyle, and you can control your player on the pitch during matches, make decisions, and perform skill moves. You will be able to earn XP through matches and challenges to improve your player's abilities, and you can follow the storyline, which is a narrative-driven journey with interactions and cutscenes between your teammates, managers, and other characters. Now, if you choose to play as an existing real-world player, you will also be able to control them, and the gameplay is going to be focused on the player's on-pitch performance, influencing their career progression. It has less customization over the player compared to Create a Pro, but you will still be able to play and experience the career mode as a whole. So just choose career mode, choose between Create a Pro or professional player, and go through the customization process as needed. You will be able to choose a starting club or let the game assign one for you automatically, and then just proceed to your player during matches and training sessions. You will be able to focus on training attributes that match your preferred playstyle. There are multiple skills that you can choose from. You can interact with teammates to improve team chemistry and perform well. So consistently, good performances lead to rewards and opportunities. I hope I was able to help you on how to play player career mode in FIFA 22. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.